Hi guys, welcome back to the Bush Bros. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing of the Giro Switchblade Mips. I got it in adult medium because my head's, I guess, medium. Straight into it is the helmet. Let's get my light on that. Comes with a sleeve for the helmet. Says Giro on it. Pretty good. Comes with a spare visor. I've already switched the other visor around because I wanted to show you how the GoPro is, because the spare visor comes with a GoPro mount. So this is the helmet. Let me just put this down, move this box. This is the helmet. I reckon it looks great. It's well protected all around the face and the back. I've got the GoPro mount here with the visor on this GoPro. Like for the GoPro mount, they made the visor so it doesn't move up and down, so it keeps it pretty stable. It has a certain level so you can fit any GoPro in without being in your face. This chin piece detaches. I'll show you a video of that soon. When you take it off, like the detachment, it still covers your ears, so it's very protective. It's a bit different to the other helmets. It's a bit more unique. It's got great padding inside. So it's got like the motorcycle kind of straps. So it's going to give you a little bit more padding around the neck, unlike other helmets. See, that's a lot of padding there. It's got some decent ventilation, better than some other helmets. It's not as good ventilation as the Super Bell 3R, but it's almost just about it. It's got rubber lining around the ventilations like this for your goggles, so they don't move around. That's a pretty plus. Say Switchblade at the back, it's pretty cool. I like it how it's all black, it just looks sick, very slick. So Giro there, got my GoPro. And I'll show you how to take this mouthpiece off. So with taking this mouthpiece off, you can have it on your head and you can easily just take it off, but it's just much more easier when it's just in your hands. So you got these buttons here, there and there. You click them at the same time and you pull it up, and see this red bit here, there's a metal bar there. You need to have that kind of lined up so you can pull it out. That's one, and that's two. So those are there. That's the chin piece. This is the helmet without the chin piece. See, as I mean, how it will cover your ears here. Yep, it's got ventilation a fair bit. The helmet's pretty thick, so like if you have a good crash, you will like actually survive. Well, I hope you do. But it has been downhill crash tested with the mouthpiece on, and crash tested without the mouthpiece, but I'm not sure if it's downhill tested without the mouthpiece. I don't think it's like very safe to do that, but that's that. I'll go get the other visor as well to show you the difference in the packet. So in the packet we come with different like paddings, more paddings, just in case if one falls off or something during a ride. I don't know how you can do that, but you know, could happen. Then we got the visor here without the GoPro piece, and it's got a different like little attachment here so you can move up and down on your helmet. So yeah, that's pretty cool. The sleeve, it's just kind of just the usual, you know, you just put it in there. It's a pretty big sleeve, so you definitely fit in there pretty nice and snug. Keep it from getting scratches. Pretty sure most helmets get scratches anyway. It's pretty good, and putting it back on is just like this. Let me just show you that look. You want to get this long bit pushing at the top, then get the other side and push that in at the top. Make sure these kind of little circle divots here go in the red slots, but not the bar. Okay, and push that in till it clicks. There you go. And then you just want to basically push this helmet down, and it should click in. There you go. Got your full face back. It's so much more easier than the bell helmets that clip off the mouthpiece. It's just less effort basically. I'll put it on to show you what it looks like on your face. So this is the helmet with the mouthpiece on my face. It's pretty sturdy. You want to get one where it actually will fit your head. You don't want to get like a large and it doesn't work and it jiggles all around too much, because it's like, the more like snug it is, the more safer. That's it. I'll just give you a look around. So this is it here. That's the back. GoPro's well sturdy, doesn't want to move. And again, you can take these mouthpieces off. This is the helmet without the mouthpiece. It's a little bit different. It covers the ears though, so if you crash, you got more protection around the head instead of just a normal trail helmet. It's more of like an enduro downhill helmet. You probably have this on more for this helmet, but it's pretty good. Very comfy still, even without this. Still doesn't want to move everywhere without the mouthpiece. I reckon overall it's just a great helmet. You can get these helmets for about $400 in Australian currency, but I'm not sure in other countries it's probably about 300. But also, like I got it for 300 from my local bike store. I feel like it's just a great helmet. It's also got adjustable little doggle on the back, so you can just, you know, adjust the head. So if it's too loose, you can tighten it up. Too tight, loosen it up. It's pretty easy. I hope you guys found this video useful or just educational, help you find actual like the helmet you really want. Know about something about this helmet before you buy it. I do think this helmet is like one of the #1 helmets if you want a helmet that detaches the mouthpiece, as it's so protective, and it's still got maximum ventilation. But there is somehow other helmets out there with like much more ventilation than this, but you know, for the price, it gives you the safety. You know, you don't want anything like that's unsafe, too thin of a material, you know, stack it, your head hits a rock or something and you just get like hammered. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.